Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use NordVPN while traveling. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. So, using NordVPN while traveling is one of the smartest ways to keep your passwords, bank details, and personal data safe, especially when you're constantly hopping between sketchy airport, cafe, and hotel Wi-Fi networks, as public networks are notoriously easy targets for data interception. So to stay protected, let's go ahead and configure your NordVPN. So let's go ahead over to settings, tap on your profile at the bottom right, tap on settings right here, wait for it to load. Once it loads, gotta find a kill switch. All right, tap on it, and then once done, tap on open settings. Now configure NordVPN always on. And then block the connections without VPN. Again, turn it on. And then once it's turned on, if your Wi-Fi drops or the VPN connection blips for a split second, this feature cuts your internet traffic so your real IP address and data are never accidentally exposed. As you may have noticed earlier, I was screen mirroring and the connection drops. So the connection between my computer and this phone drops as well because I turned on this feature. Now let's go ahead and go back to NordVPN settings right here. Go ahead and tap on Auto Connect. Tap on it and make sure that you enable this feature as well, as this one guarantees you are protected the second you log into a hotel or airport Wi-Fi or any other public Wi-Fi. Should it be Wi-Fi networks only or mobile networks only, or you want them both, select all networks. Now lastly here, go ahead and tap on Threat Protection Pro. Enable this one as well, as traveling often means browsing unfamiliar local transit or booking websites, and this feature actively blocks malicious pop-ups, trackers, and phishing links. Alright, and finally, make sure that this one is active and says secured, and you'd be good to go. That's how simple it is to use NordVPN while traveling. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.